let's hear it. Count it down. 3, 2, 1. Let's hear it for Shady and Shadyside Academy.
And it's a different arrangement. I've been here for 4 years. I see all the classrooms, they kind of look the same, but this one's different. This one's cooler.
I love the new paint and all the different colors. All the classrooms look a bit different and everything has changed, and I love it this year a lot. Favorite part about this classroom is that we get to sit next to all of our friends this year. It's not like mismatched and everything, and it's really nice, and I like my teacher so far.